Finding the best TV isn't easy. Everyone has different needs, but if you focus on how you plan to use it, narrowing down your options is much quicker. Not every TV is perfect, but even the cheapest 4K models give you solid picture quality. High-end models shine if you're using features like 4K HDR or gaming. To help, I've put together a list of the top 5 smart TVs that offer great value for the price. Depending on your needs, one of these might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's get into it. Number 5. Samsung DU7200 Best Budget TV. If you're looking for a budget-friendly TV, the Samsung DU7200 is a solid choice. It delivers vibrant colors, sharp picture quality, smooth motion, and an immersive sound experience. But how well do these features actually perform? Let's break it down. Per Color expands the color range beyond standard RGB panels, giving you more natural tones and richer contrast for a more lifelike viewing experience. Upscaling enhances lower resolution content, so even older shows or 1080p videos look sharper and clearer. Motion Accelerator reduces lag and blur during fast-moving scenes. Whether you're watching sports or action movies, this feature helps keep everything smooth. Object Tracking Soundlight creates a surround sound experience by adjusting audio to match the movement on screen. When things speed up, the sound follows. Mega Contrast automatically balances brightness and contrast, while HDR brings out details in darker scenes for better depth and clarity. Q Symphony syncs your Samsung Q Series or S Series soundbar with the TV for a fuller, more immersive sound experience. For the price, the Samsung DU7200 packs some impressive features. If you want the best picture quality on a budget, this one's hard to beat. Number 4. Hisense U8N Best Value TV. The Hisense U8N stands out with strong contrast and impressive HDR performance. With local dimming on, blacks look deep and uniform. It covers a wide range of the DCI P3 color space, though saturated greens, cyans, and blues can be slightly off. Blooming control is solid, but brightness can fluctuate in fast scenes. Black uniformity is great with local dimming enabled, but without it, the screen can look cloudy with a bluish tint. Viewing angles aren't the best. Colors and brightness drop noticeably off-center, making it less ideal for wide seating setups. Reflection handling is excellent, keeping the picture clear even in bright rooms. Audio is clear, especially for dialogue, but the built-in subwoofer lacks deep bass and sound gets distorted at high volumes. Keeping it at moderate levels gives the best experience. It processes low-quality content well, but struggles with black smearing in dark scenes. VRR introduces some inconsistencies, especially around 100 Hz, which can be distracting. Motion interpolation is available but can cause artificial effects and halos in fast-moving scenes. Overall, the U8N delivers strong contrast, great HDR, and low input lag. For streaming Netflix, Hulu, or just general TV, this is one of the best value smart TV you can get. Number 3. LG OLED C4 Best Smart TV Experience. The LG C4 is fast and easy to use. The 2024 WebOS interface supports customizable profiles for a more personalized experience. It has a wide app selection, screencasting, and USB playback. There's a known issue where the screen goes black when switching resolutions and refresh rates too quickly, requiring a restart to fix. The home screen can be cleaned up, but ads on the apps page can't be removed. OLED technology delivers deep blacks and high contrast without needing local dimming. Blooming isn't an issue. The DCI P3 color coverage is strong, though some colors in the Rec 2020 range may look a bit undersaturated. Gray and black uniformity are excellent. Wide viewing angles keep image quality consistent, even in larger seating setups. Reflection handling is solid, maintaining clarity in bright environments. Some units may have a green tint, but it's not always noticeable. Audio is clear, especially for dialogue, but the built-in speakers lack strong bass. At high volumes, distortion can be an issue. Mid-range volume levels offer the best balance. It handles low-quality content well, preserving detail in dark scenes. Response time is nearly instant, keeping fast motion sharp, though slight blur can appear at 60 Hz. Motion interpolation is available but can cause artifacts in fast-paced content if settings are too aggressive. Gaming performance is strong with low input lag and quick response times. The Game Optimizer mode, 4K 120Hz and 1440p 120Hz support, HDMI Forum VRR, and Auto Low Latency mode ensure smooth gameplay. 4 HDMI 2.1 ports provide full 48 Gbps bandwidth for high-end devices. It also supports DTS audio for an enhanced media experience. It's not the best for raw picture quality, but as an overall package, it's hard to beat. Number 2. Samsung S95D. Best OLED TV. The Samsung S95D delivers a fast and user-friendly experience with its 2024 Tizen OS. It supports a wide range of apps, screencasting, and USB playback. However, switching input labels can sometimes cause the TV to get stuck in PC mode, requiring a reset. Ads are present in the interface, but some can be managed. Thanks to its OLED panel, it offers high contrast with self-lit pixels that produce bright highlights and deep blacks. It performs well in dark environments, though the matte coating can reduce contrast in bright rooms. It covers most of the DCI P3 color space, and the color booster feature enhances saturation, though turning it off provides more accurate colors. Gray uniformity is solid, with no noticeable blooming or halo effects. The wide viewing angles make it great for large seating areas. Reflection handling is effective, but contrast may drop in bright settings. Its unique subpixel structure can cause slight color fringing, especially when used as a PC monitor or with fine horizontal lines. The sound profile is balanced with clear dialogue. It performs well at max volume without major distortion, but lacks deep bass. Response time is nearly instant, reducing motion blur in fast-moving scenes. It handles low-quality content well, but may show macro blocking in dark scenes. Motion interpolation is available, but can introduce artificial effects in fast action sequences. In game mode, input lag is extremely low, making gameplay feel smooth and responsive. It supports 4K 120Hz and 1440p 120Hz, but 1440p 60Hz doesn't work in game mode, which adds lag. HDMI 4M VRR and auto low latency mode are supported. All 4 HDMI 2.1 ports offer 40 Gbps bandwidth. HDR10 Plus is included, but there's no Dolby Vision. It also lacks ATSC 3.0 and DTS support. If you want the best OLED for the price, this is the one. Number 1. Sony BRAVIA 9 QLED. Best Overall TV. The Sony BRAVIA 9 offers a fast and user-friendly experience with its Google TV interface. It supports a wide range of apps, screencasting, and USB playback. Ads are present in the interface and can't be disabled. Minor software glitches can occasionally occur, but are usually fixed with a quick restart. With local dimming set to high, it delivers strong contrast and deep blacks. Blooming is minimal in most scenes, but can be noticeable in bright scenes or from side angles. HDR content benefits from a wide color gamut, though some tones may appear slightly undersaturated. Black uniformity is solid, while gray uniformity varies by unit. Viewing angles are limited, and picture quality degrades when viewed from the side. Reflection handling is effective, making it a good option for bright rooms. The BGR subpixel layout may slightly impact text clarity when used as a PC monitor. The sound profile is balanced with clear dialogue. It provides some bass, but those looking for deeper low-end sound may need external speakers. Audio remains clear at high volumes with minimal distortion. It handles low-quality content well while preserving details. Response time is fast, reducing motion blur. Some black smearing can appear in dark scene transitions. The backlight flickers at 720 Hz, which most users won't notice. Motion interpolation improves smoothness in slow scenes, but can create artificial effects in fast-moving content. In game mode, input lag is extremely low, making gameplay feel responsive. It supports 4K 120Hz and HDMI 4M VRR. However, 1440p resolution has some limitations. All HDMI 2.1 ports offer high bandwidth, but one is used for EARC. Dolby Vision and ATSC 3.0 are supported. It can also function as a center speaker when paired with compatible Sony audio systems. If you want the best performance and top-tier features, the BRAVIA 9 QLED is the one to go for. There you have it, the best TVs of this year. Whether you're after a budget-friendly pick, the best OLED, or a top-tier gaming TV, there's something for everyone. Which one do you like the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons.